Hey all, we're going to now edit the last change we need to do on our reference planes. We need to be able to not select them. And if we click on them by accident while we're building our sword or our blade, it's gonna move it around and the position can be all whacked. So what we need to do is select both these things and right click and say free selection. But wait, now the reference image is not even seeable. We can only see the gray, and that's what the problem with the free selection by default is. So I'm going to undo or unfreeze all. And what we need to do in this case is go inside the properties menu of this object. So when you have something selected and you right click, you can open up this object properties, which is in the right click menu down here. And if you look at right here, it has a bunch of stuff. Don't worry about that right now. Just look at the show frozen in gray and how it's checked. We're going to uncheck that. We can go back out and then free selection and it'll work. But since we're already here, let's go ahead and say freeze. So we've now unchecked for show frozen in gray and freeze is selected, and we turn that off or say OK. And now if we look at it, we can't select our objects. So now we are completely ready to start working on the 3D of the blade that we need to make next.